distinct purpose. It connects your car head unit to a GPS antenna, allowing your unit to receive GPS data. This connection is crucial for accurate navigation. Now we can connect those cables with car head unit. If you've had prior experience with Chinese car head units, you'll likely find that they typically follow a consistent wiring system. This can be a real advantage, as it means you might not have to be overly concerned about replacing or reconfiguring your existing wires when upgrading to a new car head unit. The wires you've used for your previous units should be compatible with the new one. That said, it's crucial to emphasize that while the wiring may be somewhat standardized, the key to a successful installation lies in the precision and care with which you connect these wires. You'll want to ensure that the connections are secure and correctly matched to the appropriate ports. This attention to detail is essential to avoid any potential damage to the ports or components. The good news is that most wires are uniquely designed, meaning that they generally only fit into the corresponding port, making it relatively straightforward to identify the correct wire for each port. This simplifies the installation process and helps minimize the chances of errors or complications during the setup. With a little patience and methodical approach, you'll be able to effortlessly connect the wires and enjoy the benefits of your new car head unit. When you connect the reverse camera able, there are two